Hi guys, as we all know, Gucci Elvova has been trending lately. So this girl decided to share this. She said, esasifunda nabo e-DUT niyamkhumbula ehlala nabangani bakhe laphaya e-Standard Bank ngase-Steve Biko. Niyazikhumbula izinto that they used to do to little girls. Kodwa ke inxeba lomuntu alihlekwa angisho lutho. So someone decided to take a screenshot and post it on Twitter, on X. And then guys, under the comments, honey, kuyavela ukuthi kahle kahle kusho ukuthi uElvovo wayengeyena umuntu right that time. Kodwa phela guys, wayesayingane naye nkosami, angisho ukuthi ngiyamdefenda, but anyway, awuthi ngakhulumi kakhulu asiye ngqo kuma comments. Uthi lo, whoever wrote this was in Durban around the same time I was. He even said to me, kumele bangigwinyise cause angiphuzi. Ngaqala ngaye ukubona umgwinyo nokwazi ukuthi you don't leave your drink unattended anyway. Wayekhohlakele yena ubro. Yo. Hi futhi. I remember those days befika ngebhasi lomjolo mawuzodlula ngakubo uyintombazane. I will have so much anxiety because they will make comments. How? Isono nkosi yami. The reason I will never in my life donate for a celebrity, they are too perfect and do wrong things, then run back to the community. Yeah, ne? But sometimes umuntu kumele akhunjuzwe izinto ayezenza though, so that people will learn to be kind when they are in fame. Thina basithuka basibiza ngeyifebe ngoba sabaziba bethi yey uzani la. I was so traumatized lapho ngenza i-first year nkosi yami unyaka uqala nje. Uyabona uElvovo. Yo. So kahle kahle he was like those BMW guys that's trended for disrespecting security guard. Hey, buya kanjalo. Studied at DUT Steve Biko campus from 2016 to 2018, and I can definitely confirm what this sister is saying is absolutely true. Not sure about the ages of the girls, but hey, ziphelile intomzolova. Yo, hayi bandla. Hayi angazi ukuthi ngihleka ngoba phela ayihlekisi le. Yebo, I was there. Besidlela bedlela intombi zethu zama. Kodwa ke namhlanje umuntu uphumelele ngemfundo lena ayiqeda kwamanye amantombazane. Yo. And in Ngibora, when it comes to things that men did, we have to move on. Forget and ish, as we hold women accountable who had OnlyFans and dropped. Let's hold men to bandla. Asimhleki mara wayenyanyisa njengezenzo. 2008 wabingelelwa ingane eWestville campus, wavele wayithuka wathi nathi isifebe singiphaphela. Ha! Hey! Hayibo. Hayi shame. Uyavuna akutshalile. Umuntu oshawa uNkulunkulu akalanyulelwa. Akezwe inyembezi zezimpilo zezingane esazidicileleka phansi. Hey, isiZulu sometimes guys. Hey. When we say he deserves everything bad thing happening to him, we aren't haters. He must learn the lessons so his soul can grow. It's a pity the stories we know aren't ours to tell, but sana I don't feel any pity for this man. Yazi mina, there's a friend of mine, we're no longer friends, but she told me ukuthi she used to date u-Elvovo, but ke akaze acomplaina nje mhlampe yabo wenza into ezibhedi ke na uthi nje babephathana kahle. Into engixaka ukuthi umngane wami bekamkhulu and u-Elvovo bekamkhulu, so ngangihlezi ngicabanga ukuthi hayibo kanjani 1+1 is not 2 la. But ke yeah, anyway, let's move on. Akekho umuntu arrogant njengo-Elvovo. DUT he used to ukubukisa ebantwini enze show nje ukuthi uzizwa ungelutho. Ngimazi kahle, up and down Steve Biko in his blue Golf R causing havoc. Yo Elvovo, yo ayi shame nama ngimdabukeli ha. Hayibo phela ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokubukiswe ngawe ebantwini mfethu. Hayi shame uyavuna bandla. Lo obhalila was in Durban the same time I was in Durban. He even said to me, kumele bangigwinyise ngoba angiphuzi utshwala. That's how I learned that you don't have your drink unattended. Lapho it was just a Red Bull. Cha yena wayekhohlakele. Hey, let me tell you something. Yabo nje lama artists lawa ukuthi nje sengingena ukusho amagama, even though you guys don't know who I am, but I have stories for days ukuthi ngiyasaba guys. Ayena yedwa u-Elvovo okhohlakele. Hey bakhohlakele laba abantu labaya. Bakhohlakele, but maybe one day ngimxoxela, but okwamanje let's move on. I witnessed all that. Bathatha lokho kusuka emakhaya first year students from Friday till Monday. He enjoyed his youth. He can RIP now. Yo. Let me tell you something, guys. I remember there's a guy that I used to date. Umngani wakhe. So his friend, so we used to go out and chill like on my weekend and stuff. Every time let's say we're gonna go somewhere, mina ngihambe nomuntu wami, yena uzofika nentombazane ehlukile, like he will bring different girls like ngaso sonke isikhathi. And makuthi uyayibuka lentombazane uyabona ukuthi ingane le, uyambona ukuthi lo muntu bengenawo 17 years una 18. Guys, khona abafana nje abangekho right emakhanda, ayabafana obhoti abangekho right nje, ababhizi nje itarget yabo ilezi ingane zama first year. Yo ibhlungu lento ngoba lezi ngane nazo zothathekile because zibona imali yabo nje, oh he drives a nice car, oh he has money, gives me money. Yo, and ugeli ngiyakhumbula nje this other girl was ongitshela ukuthi wayengixoxela ukuthi nje wayekhala, ngithi mina ukhalelani, ethi hey uyangichithela. Lapho ugeli ngiqala ngisho ukumbona, I'm like ngithi mina uyangichithela. So you guys have been dating for how long? Uthi no, it's been 3 months. He took my virginity. I'm like, yo baby girl, look how uyambona mos ukuthi mdala kangaka nawe usamncane uvuma kanjani ukuthi athathe umntombi bakho. Yabo nje guys, you know what, let's carry on. But nje bakhona ubhuti ababolile la ngaphandle ababhizi nalezi ngane zama first year nazo ke zivele zibothathekile. Nkosi yami, I remember it like it was yesterday. uDirango wayezidla ingane bafethu, but ke you guys can feel sorry for him. I don't give an F. Ay shame. He also used to swear at us here on Twitter. Arrogant fat B. Hey, angazi indaba zo Twitter, belo Twitter guys, like ngize ngaba nawo last year. Angazi nje ngaba no Twitter at all, like angazi why, but yeah. Where he was driving a red Audi and messing with young girls at Glenwood. Askakhohlwa. Kodwa phela guys, wangeyena yedwa. Baningi lama artists akhona la wenza izinto ezifanayo lezi uElvovo ayezenza. Kuwukuthi ke phela njengamanje sikhuluma ngeElvovo, but he was not the only one. This clown is evil and he deserves whatever is happening to him. No sympathy at all for this fool. The guy Neil bumped me with his Audi there by Standard Bank never even said sorry. Instead, he looked at me funny. But indeed, inxeba lendoda ahlekwa, may he bounce back. Hey guys, mekuthiwa karma is a B. Abaqamba manga, because like you can't be a horrible person towards other people and expect to live a perfect life forever. It doesn't work like that, unfortunately. But anyway, guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and more love. I'll see you on my next one.
Ungayinxishi phila namhlanje lento ukuthi uyabeka ubekele kusasa wazi ngani ukuthi kusasa ngeke uzovuka noma ngeke uvuka phila namhlanje mina nje mangivuka ngiyishaya mangivuka nangakusasa ngiyishaya